Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the best learning management plugins for WordPress at the end of 2025 and just at the beginning of 2026. The great news is there's some fantastic solutions on the WordPress platform if you're looking to build courses, education, training as an entrepreneur or for a larger organization. There are a tremendous group of great offerings there, and I'm going to be looking at the best ones. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back. So let's go straight into it. So the good news, there's a lot of choice on the WordPress platform when you're looking for a learning management plugin. And what is a learning management plugin? It, in my opinion, it's a membership plugin on steroids. No, there are certain circumstances where you wouldn't utilize a learning management plugin. That's if you're just selling one course or you're just selling access to certain parts of your website. Probably a learning management plugin is going to be overkill. But for anybody, and I mean anybody, that's going to might build more than one course, they really should not consider a membership plugin. They really should look at a learning management system. It's going to offer a lot more functionality. It's going to be able to organize your courses much more easier, and you'll be able to do modern marketing automation with the right added plugin tool much easier based on my experience. So, what are some of the leaders? Well, I think we've got to start with one at WP-Tonic that we just love, and that's Lifter LMS. Now, Lifter's been around a number of years, and what I love about it is they have continuously improved the platform. It does come with a fully functioned free version that you can do amazing things. The only thing it won't do is it won't allow you to actually sell your memberships, your courses through subscriptions. But they do offer an add-on for Stripe or PayPal, and I really would advise you just to concentrate on the Stripe add-on, and that's slightly under $150 a year. So you can get all the power of Lifter LMS with this one add-on, and you'll be able to sell your memberships and courses. It comes some great into elements of building quizzes. It's fully functioned. It gives everything you want in the free version, but then they've got a whole library of packs and single add-ons that really does cover every element of course selling and for larger organizations. The packs start with Earth, Universal, and the final one, which is Infinity, where you get access to all the library of add-ons that Lifter LMS provides. And that's around $1,500. But if you host with WP-Tonic, you get that part of the hosting package. Amazing value. But we really do love Lifter LMS. What's another good choice? Another really popular choice is Tutor LMS. Quite a modern looking interface. The free version, it's really designed to work with WooCommerce, and it really depends on what your attitude is to WooCommerce, really. I think it's fantastic. The only thing is, if you want to sell subscriptions, you got to buy a reasonably expensive WooCommerce add-on called Woo Subscriptions, and that's around $300 a year. To actually set everything up is a little bit more difficult than Lifter LMS. if you're utilizing the internal subscription platform that Lifter provides. Lifter also works with WooCommerce, and you do have to buy the Woo subscription if you're going to use Lifter as well. But Tutor is really aimed at really working with WooCommerce, and that gives you a lot of flexibility because Woo is the premier platform for selling anything on WordPress, basically. When it comes to the back end, when it comes to quizzes, showing video, organization of your courses, I think the two platforms are pretty equal, really. I think it will be just, certain platforms you gel with and other platforms you don't quite gel with as much. It's that tight. So there isn't a tremendous difference between the two, apart from how they deal with the subscriptions, because, like I say, Lifter provides their own subscription engine with an add-on that works with Stripe. Let's look at another one that is well established, and that's LearnDash. Now, LearnDash has been on the market a little bit longer than even Lifter LMS. It has a very strong following. It has a strong following in higher education and larger organizations. Don't get me wrong, Lifter is utilized on a lot of university and higher education as well. It's a good platform, well coded. The problem in my eyes is if you want to sell subscriptions, you either have to buy a membership plugin or you have to use Woo. But on the other hand, I might be overemphasizing that because that's the situation with Tutor. Well, I like to point out with Tutor, yeah, let's not go that route. Sorry. This stick with LearnDash. There's so much to talk about when you're talking about these learning management system plugins, but it is a bit confusing that you need a membership plugin if you're not going to use Woo. If you decide to use Woo, LearnDash provides a free add-on to work with Woo. You still have to buy the Woo subscription add-on, which is around $300 a year. But they do provide the add-on that communicates with Woo and LearnDash for free. All right. The way it organizes quizzes, courses is top notch. I don't think it is as polished now as Tutor LMS. And you could apply that criticism to Lifter, but it's just Lifter. You've got so much functionality in their library of add-ons. So I still think I place it as number one so far. The price is $199. They don't offer a free version, unlike Lifter LMS and Tutor LMS. They don't provide a free version. It's not overpriced though at $199. But like I say, it's this business of having to buy another membership plugin if you're not going to use Woo. If you still want to use LearnDash, and it's a great choice, I would suggest looking at SureMember as this membership plugin. I think it's the kind of sweet point of ease of use with almost 90% of the functionality that you're going to want with LearnDash. Yeah. Let's look at a new one that's entered, Creator LMS. Now, this is in the title. It's a bit more lightweight than LearnDash or Lifter LMS or Tutor. It doesn't offer all the swings and roundabouts, but it's not meant to. It's really aimed at the creator community that's built an audience on, let's say, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. But unlike using something like Patreon or some of the other platforms like Beehive, there's a few platforms where you can offer courses on the platform. And let's be frank, YouTube offers membership now. Um, but if you want full control of your business, it's best to use these platforms to build your audience, but also always send them to your website, which you own and control if you're using WordPress, and then utilize Creator LMS. Now, it comes from the people that produce WP funnels and Mint, which we provide at WP-Tonic as part of our hosting bundle. We're probably going to be offering Creator LMS also in the near future. I think they've done a great job on it. Definitely look at it. I think they're still doing some lifetime deals. They don't offer a free version, I'm pretty sure. Um, it's not ridiculously priced, but they're also offering some lifetime deals. I can't be 100%. The last time I looked a week ago, they were still offering those. Another one is Mestresio. This is another player that's been around a while, but wasn't entirely on my radar. But recently it has. They offer a real great free version, and the great thing about the free version is they offer Stripe integration. You don't have to buy an add-on. That's Stripe and PayPal. I would concentrate on the Stripe version, but they offered this as part of the free version. Now, they're one of the few learning management systems that's doing this. They do have paid versions that offer more functionality, and you will have to check their website to see if the free version will cater for what you want to do at the present moment. But it's very attractive because you do have that option of Stripe integration. These are the five, there's a lot more out there. There's over a dozen. I'm just talked about the five that I think if you need to look at all the five that I've outlined in this video and choose the one that you feel the most comfortable with, because none of these that I've mentioned are lemons. Any of these five that I've outlined to you, you will be able to build a successful course on and build your business in 2026. Now, if you found this video helpful, like the video and really think about subscribing to the channel. 70% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe, and it's the main way you can show YouTube that I'm doing a decent job and I'm trying to help you out. So to help me, think about subscribing to the channel. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.